kids, we back again.
Yeah!
Big old box, what's inside, my friend?
Tiny hands up, who's ready to play? Hey! Tiptoe, tiptoe, walking this way. Hey! Colorful card and stack so high. Hey! Shake it, hey! Shake it, hey! Hear that surprise? Hey! Oh! Egg surprise, what's inside? Open wide. Boobly kids, count it down. 3, 2, 1, crack it now. Egg surprise. Woo! Learning jumps out in the sky. Boobly kids, big bright eyes. Every day's an egg surprise. Flip that lid, see it glow. Spin that shell, nice and slow. Numbers, letters, jump right out. Clap it, rap it, dance and shout. Let's go! Egg surprise, what's inside? Open wide. Boobly kids, count it down. 3, 2, 1, crack it now. Egg surprise. Learning jumps out in the sky. Boobly kids, big bright eyes. Every day's an egg surprise. Yellow, blue, red and green, smartest squad you ever seen. One more egg, one more try. Boobly kids, we're flying high. So high. Hey!
Yo, what's up, super smart kids? It's your boy Hiphop Boom, and welcome to Hiphop Boobly's Egg Surprise. Today we're going on a fun learning adventure with all of my friends, Hiphop Boobly and Hiphop Mimi. And guess what? We've got something super special today.
What?
So inside of each egg is a surprise answer. But before we crack the egg, you have to help us figure it out. So today's lesson is all about counting. Are you ready to count with us?
Yes!
Say ready.
Yes!
All right, Boobly and Mimi, let's start easy. Now kids, you gotta look at the screen really closely. Let's count how many apples we see. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. Is it 1? Is it 2? Or is it 3? You can say your answer out loud. Now let's see what the answer is. Let's crack the egg. Crack! Say it with me. Crack! Crack! Boom! Yes, the answer is 3. Great counting, superstars. Okay, let's level up. Now we're gonna do another one. Look real closely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look very closely. How many balls did we count? Okay, now let's crack the egg and figure it out. Are you ready? Let's go. Crack. Say it with me. Crack. Crack! Boom! That was right! The answer is 5. Y'all are on fire today. Before the next egg, let's get our bodies moving. Jump with Boobly 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now clap with Mimi 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Give yourselves a big woo! Okay, counting champs. This one's a little trickier. Now let's count the stars on the screen. Let's go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now how many stars did we count? Was it 6 or was it 7? Let's see if you got it right, Boobly pals. Boobly, you know what to do. Let's crack the egg. Crack. 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 Drum roll, please. Boom. The answer was 7. You're doing amazing, Boobly pals. All right, now this one is a big one. Let's count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, how many eggs are there? Okay, let's see. Let's figure it out. Let's crack the egg. Crack. 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 Drum roll, please. Boom! The answer is 10. You just counted all the way to 10. Give yourselves a hand, Boobly pals. Boobly and Mimi are so proud of you. Listen, guys, you counted, you listened, and you learned. Today we learned how to count. We counted to 3, 5, 7, and 10. And every time we counted, the egg told us the right answer. Wow, super smart kid. I am so proud of you right now. Today you didn't just watch the show, you learned. You counted carefully, you used your eyes, you used your ears, and you used that amazing brain of yours. And guess what? Every time you counted, you got better. Let's say the numbers one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Would you look at that? You just counted all the way to 10 again. And remember, you can count anywhere. You can count your toys, your steps, your snacks, even your jumps. And guess what, counting champions? This is only the beginning. Next time we'll have more eggs, more surprises, and more fun learning together. So keep practicing your counting. Keep believing in yourself, and always remember, you are smart, you are learning, and you are amazing. So come back with your thinking caps on the next episode of Boobly's Egg Surprise. Goodbye.
It's the egg surprise. Goodbye, bye, bye. Crack a smile, wave your hands up high. We had fun, now it's time to fly. See you soon for another egg surprise. Tiny toys and big bright eyes, little gasps and happy cries. Pack it up, it's closing time. Catch you on the next fun ride. It's the egg surprise. Goodbye, bye, bye. Crack a smile, wave your hands up high. We had fun, now it's time to fly. See you soon for another egg surprise. Hey!
Wait, one more thing. If you want to hear more great music from the Hiphop Boobly Show, check us out on all digital platforms. Just search Hiphop Boobly Show, stream our music, sing along, and dance at home. And remember, every day is better when you're learning. So I hope you have a Hiphop Boobly time and keep learning. Goodbye.